Hello cuties, welcome back for the last part of this choreo. I hope you enjoyed the first two parts, but now back to business. We ended with our turn, we stepped out on left, we closed with right, we opened with right. Now we're gonna do a little jazz into this choreo. This is such an old school move. We're doing a pas de bourrée. So we go right, left, right. Yes. And when we do that, our hands go up and we flick. So we bring our hands up, we turn them around and we flick. Yes. So let's do that together. We go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then we have 2 shoulders, ta, ta to the left, 2 hips to the right, ta, ta. Then we body roll, reverse body roll. So we start with our cooch. We come up and we sit on the right side. That was the end. I don't know why we needed a part 3 for this, but I guess it's a hard part. Now again, let's do this from where we ended our last part. So part 2, we had right, left, turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have right, left, ta, 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 and stand. We have ta, 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 kick, and shoulder, shoulder, sit, sit, body roll, and sit. I hope you liked this last part. Let's do all of the 3 parts together one more time with count, and then class dismissed. We start here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Again, I'll leave that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. I hope I counted that last part right, but you'll hear it in the music. Bye. See you next time.